my mother grew up surrounded by books, and we all grew up surrounded by books. And my mother always moved in the crowds of all the writers and the artists in Vilna. And when she came to Canada, my parents were great supporters of Yiddish writers in Montreal. And I grew up, I always said my mother ran the equivalent of a French salon, a literary salon, because any Yiddish writer that ever came to Montreal always ended up visiting our home, and all my parents' friends would come, and they'd be readings and recitals and music and singing. Everybody came, and it was a very ordinary thing for me, but I realized pretty soon that it was quite special, because when I went to Volksschule, the teachers would announce with great pride that this writer was coming and that writer was going to come to say hello to the children, and I would have met them all before the night before at my parents' home, so I realized I was in quite a privileged place.